How long do I need to heat a pre-cooked spiral ham?
Hey there, food enthusiasts! Welcome back to another delicious video. Today, we're going to answer a question that many of you have asked. How long do I need to heat a pre-cooked spiral ham? If you've got one of these tasty hams and you're wondering about the heating time, you've come to the right place. So, let's get started and find out the perfect heating time for your pre-cooked spiral ham.
Understanding pre-cooked spiral ham.
Before we dive into the heating time, let's quickly understand what a pre-cooked spiral ham is. A pre-cooked spiral ham is a delicious and convenient option for a meal. It has already been cooked and typically comes with the bone removed, making it easy to serve and enjoy. The spiral slicing allows for effortless serving and adds an attractive presentation to your meal. Now that we know what we're working with, let's move on to the crucial question of heating time.
Recommended heating time.
The recommended heating time for a pre-cooked spiral ham is typically 10 to 12 minutes per pound. However, it's important to note that this is just a general guideline, and factors such as the size of your ham, the type of oven you're using, and personal preferences can affect the actual heating time. To get the most accurate results, always refer to the specific instructions provided by the manufacturer or the packaging of your pre-cooked spiral ham.
Heating instructions.
To ensure your pre-cooked spiral ham is heated thoroughly and reaches the desired temperature, follow these simple steps. 1. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, 163 degrees Celsius. 2. Remove any packaging materials from the ham, including the plastic wrap or netting, but retain any glaze or sauce packets that may have come with the ham. 3. Place the ham, cut side down, in a shallow roasting pan or baking dish. 4. Cover the ham with aluminum foil, ensuring it's tightly sealed around the edges of the pan. 5. Calculate the heating time based on the weight of your ham using the general guideline of 10 to 12 minutes per pound. 6. Place the covered ham in the preheated oven and set the timer for the calculated heating time. 7. About 10 minutes before the expected completion time, remove the ham from the oven and brush or drizzle the glaze or sauce provided over the ham, if desired. 8. Return the ham to the oven, uncovered, for the remaining few minutes to allow the glaze or sauce to caramelize slightly. 9. Once the heating time is complete, remove the ham from the oven and let it rest for a few minutes before carving. And there you have it, the answer to the question, how long do I need to heat a pre-cooked spiral ham? Remember, the recommended heating time is approximately 10 to 12 minutes per pound. By following the heating instructions and using the specific guidelines provided by the manufacturer, you'll ensure your pre-cooked spiral ham is heated to perfection and ready to be enjoyed by you and your loved ones. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!